Hi! I'm Jazz and this is my YouTube channel. So I'm just gonna go through what I've bought this month. And so to start with, this lovely scarf. Love it, it is so nice. Don't know why I'm putting this voice on because I don't really know, but you can like wear it any other way. Yeah, so there's that scarf. I just tuned in Stacey Sullivan and this lush bag. Oh my god.
Is this thing on? Why does that light me? I hope I'm not recording over or anything. Actually, I don't give a shit. Let's get into position! Make sure you get my good side, okay? My good side. Okay. Relax, stay composed, and prepare your inner monologue, okay? Okay, I'm ready. Action! You know what? Actually, I forgot what I was gonna say. Wait, I remember. Bring that fucking camera back to me! Now! Bring it back? Okay. Hello, humans of the internet. I am Bo, Queen Bo, and I'm gonna take over the internet. Anyway, you will all learn that I am fabulous, just like in my cuteness from all angles. You better fucking praise me. This isn't food. Let's get treats. So I'm gonna show you all what I do in my spare time. Yo, Mom, can I have some treats? Yo, bitch! Is it okay if I use my body to get things? You know, like for money? Oh, wait, bitch, listen to me. Fuck this, I'll do it myself. Where the fuck are they? Okay, I'm gonna get those fucking treats. They're right down there. 1, 2, so tasty. Nom 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 nom. You just gonna keep watching me? I mean, that's kind of weird, man. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll just keep eating for now, and then eventually I'll show you something worth watching. Get that camera out of my face. I told you no. Give me the way. Actually, I'm gonna do something sexy for you. And sexy stretch. Yeah, that's right. Oh, hey. Over here is like the packaging that my favorite tweets come in. Look. But I need thumbs to open that. You! With the thumbs! You! Get over here! For endorsement reasons, I have to say, I fucking love these tweets! Oh, hey guys, you still watching? Well, I have a secret for you. I don't just lay around and eat treats all day. I guess you could say I'm a little bit of a vigilante. What you fucking, you don't believe me? Well, let me fucking show you. It's not who I am. It's what I do that defines me. I am a silent guardian, a watchful protector. I make the choices that no one can make. I make the right choice. Some men just want to watch the world burn. I'm here to stop them. See? I am a superhero. So